Hello everyone, I'm Shyam. Welcome to my channel, The Truth of India. Great news for smartphone lovers. Chinese smartphone giant going to launch its next generation smartphone, Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro with powerful processor, battery, and world-class camera on 26 September at Berlin, Germany. Accidentally, the pricing of the device listed on Amazon official site at Euro 650, approx 60,000 in Indian currency, and later removed by Amazon. Xiaomi will reportedly run a special promotional offer, a new flagship for September 26 to October 31. During this period, buyers can get free Redmi Pad Pro worth €330 or 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage variant and 120-watt charger value €60 while buying the new phone. Let's check out the difference between Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro. According to latest leaks, Xiaomi 14T and 14 Pro will offer you 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 144 Hz refresh rate, 4000 nits of peak brightness. With Xiaomi Shield glass protection, they could ship with Xiaomi's latest HyperOS based on Android 14. Xiaomi 14 expected to be powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8300 Ultra chipset, while Xiaomi 14T Pro would run on Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. Both handsets may come with triple rear camera. Xiaomi 14T could carry 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor, while Pro model 50 megapixel Light Fusion 900 sensor. Both smartphones powered by 32 megapixel selfie camera and 5000 mAh battery, supported by 67-watt and 120-watt wired fast charging. Thank you so much.